Hello and welcome to the React channel. I'm Von Schnitzelcrumb, but you can call me Jordan. And today we are reacting to Nightwish, Nemo. Now, sounded a bit weird. Now, I know there have been three singers for Nightwish. We've all fallen in love with Floor. Just listen to Tarja. Forgive me, sorry. And now this is Annette Olsen. Now, I believe Annette was with the band for a few years, and I think she stopped performing due to health issues. I think that's what I read. Apologies if I got that wrong. But I've been curious about who was the middle singer. So I heard the original singer, beautiful operatic voice, and I've heard Floor, beautiful operatic voice. So I'm assuming that Annette will be very, very similar. But there's not a lot of YouTube stuff for Nightwish on her, which has me a little concerned. There wasn't much that popped up trying to search for this. So it's going to be interesting. Fingers crossed everything is brilliant and still just that typical Nightwish stuff of pure symphonic metal gold. Can't wait. Let's get into it, guys. You know what to do down here. Click all the buttons, yada yada yada. Let's not muck around anymore. We're getting into Nightwish.
It's time for Mr. Holopainen to play a little tune.
Nice. Beautiful keys. Okay. Okay. It's pretty soft so far. Oh, nice. Okay. I was going to pause it there for a quick second. Yeah, actually surprisingly different. Very different to the other two singers. Just got a hint of it before a pause there. She can go quite deep. She's got quite a deep tone to her. But there's no attitude or presence. It honestly looks like her feet are stuck to the floor and she can't move. And I'm not sure whether it's just we're only 20 minutes into a live show, so I wouldn't think she's gassed yet or tired, but I'm not feeling like like she's commanding. You don't feel that pull of you're coming with me, let me take you on this adventure. It's kind of a bit of poppy kind of sound to her voice. She's an incredible singer. Don't get me wrong, she can sing. It's just quite different to the other two singers. And yeah, I didn't expect it. Let's hear her go to that deeper note again. Oh, that was clean. Hey, she's moving! Yeah, see, I'm sorry, I kind of feel like that crowd just then. There's a lot of people just standing there going... I don't know if it's the song, that it's not as pumpy as some of the other ones, but it feels a little lacking. Yeah. A lot of people there though. Oh, nice half time. Oh, Thomas. Getting into it now. Oh, here we go. Oh, very nice. Oh, man. I wanted that to go for... Like, he should have repeated that whole thing again. That was too short. That was too short. It doesn't even sound like them, to be honest. It sounds like a tribute band. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't be so judgy on this one. It could just be the song. It has nothing to do with the singer. But I feel like if you're a good front singer or a front person, regardless of the song, you should be able to manipulate the crowd or the people hearing you. You should be able to put some in your vocals and some in your presence. You know, people are there to see them perform, and just not getting it. Oh, I love that bit. Yeah. That was nice. That was really nice. It's got a bit of rasp in her voice now. Oh, not anymore. Much stronger last 60 seconds, 90 seconds. Okay, so that was Nightwish with Annette. The last 90 seconds or so of that song, much stronger than the start. Much more oomphy, if that makes sense. There's just more oomph in it all, and It's like she had became comfortable with the song, and she was starting to lift herself, and the guys were going with her. But yeah, I think I'll have to watch more of her stuff just to get a proper idea, because yeah, it's just not that amazing, like wow, oh my god, what am I listening to like you do with the other singers. The first time I heard Flora, it was like, oh my god, who is this woman? Holy crap. And then listening to Phantom of the Opera, I was like, oh my god, this singer is amazing. And listening to Annette, I'm like, oh, okay. But again, that could just be purely the song choice. Maybe I've done goofed and I've chosen a poor song that properly represents her abilities. And if so, I apologise. Let me know on a song I should react with Annette Olsen so I can get a good understanding of her vocal presence and power. Because this performance didn't do it for me. Still love the guys. Tomas is still this composing magician that just pulls out epicness like there's no tomorrow. The guy's amazing, absolutely amazing. And you can see he's still into the song, but looking around, like Marco on bass, he doesn't even seem that thrilled to be there. He's there to play, but on the other videos you see him, he's quite enthused, he's energetic, he's looking around, he's seeing what's going on, and the times they cut to him, he's just kind of like, yeah, I'm here. I hope it's just a bad song choice and it doesn't represent this time period for them. I'll be curious, very curious. Please hit me up in the comments down below. I'm sure you'll come after me with pitchforks and fire if I am very, very wrong. But yeah, let me know what your thought is. I think I'm just going to listen to something else just to get that out of my head, get that performance away from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click all the buttons down below, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Guys, I do appreciate you clicking on the video and being with me for this one. It means a lot, and I do hope to see you on the next one. Peace.